Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Allstate to access your account securely. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Allstate and access your account securely, begin by visiting the Allstate website. Locate the Sign In button on the home page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information. This may include your name, address, and policy number. Once you complete the form, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open your email and find the verification message from Allstate. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Allstate login page after verification. Re-enter your email address and password to log in. If you forget your password, click on Forgot Password. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. In the settings, look for security options to enhance your account protection. Enable two-factor authentication if available for added security. Review your personal information and update if necessary. You have now successfully authorized and accessed your Allstate account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.